Hi, this is Vijay Kumar. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about what are the input functions in JavaScript and what is the use of the input functions of JavaScript, and how to print a given input message as a result into our result web page location, and what are the JavaScript objects and what is the importance of the JavaScript objects. These are the topics in this tutorial we are going to discuss. The first, look at the material. Same like as a basic programming language, example C language, there is a predefined functions to print any statement, that is printf functions. Like a printf function in JavaScript, if we want to print any statement, that is a given input statement, there is a predefined functions, that is input functions is available. What are the input functions? These are the input functions of JavaScript: write and writtle, like a printf function. Declare a script tag, and instead of the script tag, so write a function that is input, that is write function. And there is a JavaScript function, that is a function name is WRT write, and whatever the message information you want to print, so that message you have to write instead of the so write function. Hello JavaScript. Run example, but there isn't any result into your result base. Why? Because if you write any statements in JavaScript, by default we can't execute. A browser cannot understand that functions directly before so display any result. That means every JavaScript functions are properties and attributes, anything what it may be, so which is executed by, there is some predefined so objects is available. So what is that objects is called? These are the objects. With the help of these objects, every JavaScript function we can execute, or else every JavaScript statements we can execute. That means a browser can execute. But without a predefined objects, we can't execute any, so a browser cannot execute any statements of JavaScript. See this example. What are the JavaScript objects is available? So many number of JavaScript objects is available, but in that one there is a predefined JavaScript object, that is the most popular so JavaScript objects window document. In a HTML pointer, bunda is a body, and HTML is so document is a statement, that is result statement. So if you want to show any result information in HTML point of view, there is a body section. The body section is a result space. So results, so that is a result part of area. So that is into our web page. But in the result location, we have to print so many number of statements. Example, if you take example is school. If you take example is Facebook. So, but how to write these objects? So along with the JavaScript statements. So we have to write objects like by following line, so with a special symbol, that is dot symbol. Object dot a function, object dot attribute equal to value, and object dot so property. These type of so declarations is possible using objects. See this example. Document is as object. We call the function, so that is void function. Then automatically we can see the result. That means instead of the body section, we want to see our information as a result statement. So that is the result statement can decide by using document. It is cannot decide by using as a window object. Window object is nothing but as a body, but instead of the body we want to see some result information. So that is the result information. So where you want to display it is so if you want to, so it's display as a result statement, that is decided by using object is document. So every JavaScript statements, so that is called input statements, we should compulsory print. So by using a statement is called document.write. So what is the window object? Actually window is the parent object for all the JavaScript statements. That means it is a parent and a document is a child object. That means body is the main, but instead of the body there is a statement that is called subject. But if you want to write those two objects from single statements, we have to follow like this: window.document.write. This is actually original so syntax of the JavaScript to print any statement. But by default a browser is a pre-compiler. So JavaScript language, JavaScript is a pre-compiled scripting language. That means no need to compile separately. So while executing a JavaScript program by browser, a browser can take the responsibility at the same time is compiling and executing. That's why no need to write a window statement. So directly we can follow just with the help of document object. What happened? If you write two statements document.write, so those two statements as a combined as a single statement. But if you want to maintain any space, there is a one function is available. What is the function? The function name is called line. That is called write_ln. What is the meaning of write_ln? Write_ln function is nothing but is there any statements print by write_ln function. So for the next statements, before printing the next statements, it creates a single cursor space. Example easy to understand. Statement 1. There is a spaces between available. There is a spaces so available between those two statements. That is possible using one write_ln function. Suppose if we take a functions, why function? There is any spaces.